Today's recipe is a quick, simple, easy street food from Surat known as Veg Ghotala, also known as Surti Paneer no Ghotalo. Let's begin. Well, the word Ghotala for the uninitiated literally translates to a scam or a hodgepodge. So this recipe literally is a hodgepodge in between a pav bhaji and a sabzi that you would get in a restaurant, literally made on a tawa. But I'm going to do that in a kadhai today. First things first, let's light the flame. Let's begin with a combination of salted butter and oil. And once that kind of heats up, let's add in chopped red onions. Saute this slightly and add in garlic water, garlic juice or garlic paste, whatever's available at hand. Let's saute this for a couple of seconds. And time to add in tomatoes. And along with that, immediately, capsicum. Time to add in salt so that all of this gets wonderfully squashed while cooking. To help that further, you can also use a potato masher, but I personally like it slightly chunkier. Once the tomatoes get cooking, time to add in some spices. Let's begin with Kashmiri red chilli powder, a touch of turmeric, Garam masala, Amchur for that pav bhaji like feel, a generous pinch of Kasuri Methi. Let's mix this well, and at this point in time, you'll realize and feel that this already has started smelling like pav bhaji. Well, the principal difference between this and a pav bhaji is very simple. It's the ingredient game that is different. At this stage, if you're making a pav bhaji, you would add in mashed potatoes and peas. But in this case, we're going to add in water and grated paneer. Very simple. That's the difference and that's the cutting edge. Let's now move on to adding grated paneer and water. Let's mix this well and allow this to cook on high flame for at least 5 to 7 minutes. Finally to this, let's add in some processed cheese. I'm just kind of crumbling it with my fingers. Let's mix this well, allow this to cook for another minute. And with this, off goes the flame. Veg Ghotala or Surti Paneer no Ghotalo is done and ready. And this goes amazingly well with buttered pav and chopped onions. Do try this and let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe. Bye for now.